In this video, I'll walk you through how to claim your Agoda Cashback rewards step by step so you can make the most out of your bookings. Let's get started. First things first, you need to head over to the Agoda official website. This is your one-stop portal to over 2 million hotel deals worldwide. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any issues and to ensure your transactions are safe and secure. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Agoda URL, or simply search for Agoda in your search engine and click on the official link. Once you land on the homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look at the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button and click on it. Agoda offers a convenient sign-in option with Google, which saves time and is very secure. If you have a Google account, click on Sign In with Google and follow the prompts to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be redirected back to the Agoda homepage. From here, access your profile by clicking on your account icon or name at the top right corner. Inside your profile, you'll see an option for Cashback Rewards. Click on it to view details about the cashback you've earned from your bookings, including how much you've accumulated and how it was earned. These cashback rewards can later be used toward future bookings, helping you save even more on your hotel stays. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily claim and track your Agoda cashback rewards. Make sure to check the cashback section regularly, as Agoda may update or add new offers. Use this on your next booking and enjoy saving money on your travels. Thanks for watching and safe travels.